This Nissan Juke hit a curb, blew out the tires, and we got some negative camber going on. A blown shock, bent the strut here, and then that tie rod end, or sorry, inner tie rod. First, take these wiper arms off. Once you get that 14mm off, just give it a little tap, 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 taparoo on these, nice and gentle, and then they just kind of work their way up. I just took off a couple of these little clips just to get enough to get the 13mm that are here. So that's where I am right now. I'm about to get a 6mm hex Allen key and then a 18mm. Take this off. This brake line is wedged in with this guy. I just used a screwdriver, pop that out. These guys are wedged in like this, so just pull those off. Then we're going to take these, take those 13s off up there, pull this whole strut out and replace it with a whole new one. Then we'll look about getting this inner tie rod off. Propped. This was cumbersome. 21s. Don't take it all the way out, just give it some tap, 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 taparoos and get it out of its home. You could see how it's bent when it's out.
Conversation in our comments section. How do you face difficulties? Will you let them defeat you, or will you use them as opportunities to grow? We look for or about your body what you will wear. Is not life more than food and the body more than clothes? This teaching encourages us to trust in God and not let minor worries disrupt our peace.
Well, this is a Duralast.
To an important appointment and suddenly find yourself
this is what the insurance company quoted.
Anxiety and self-blame for not leaving. What steps will you take to incorporate
tie rod end?
into your life? Let's continue this journey to
Tap, 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 taparoo.
from one another as we grow
And just popped off. Let's see how the rest of this turns out. After you crack it loose with just count how many revolutions. That's 1, 2, 3, 18, about 18 and a half. Ball joint, it's threaded, rack and pinion, or the steering gear is what they call it. Nissan doesn't sell an inner tie rod end. It comes in a whole steering gear, as they call it, which costs about $1,000 to $1,500 wherever you are in the country. In this case, I was able to find an inner tie rod end at a parts store and was able to use a pipe wrench to be able to get this thing off. It was a little difficult, so when you're putting it back on, just make sure that you add some Loctite to it and tighten it up. There's no torque specs that I could find. New one going in. All right, just remember when you're putting the outer tie rod end on, you counted, I hope, how many revolutions or how many times it took to take that tie rod end off. You just count the same amount of revolutions to put it back on, and that'll get you in the vicinity to have straight wheels when you go and do your alignment. So just keep that in mind. Not too hard, simple, just make sure you remember how many times you turned it. Okay, this is the way it looks. It's like a gear in there. Yeah, so the new bellow, you just kind of shove it on there. Okay. Just want to take this time to mention the control arm I took off. It was a 21mm on this side and an 18 on this side, I think. And I just pulled it off. I left it connected to the hub so I could get in there. Just FYI, if you haven't noticed already.